9 minus 9 gives us 0. And again here we have 9 minus 9. So 0 times 0 is just 0. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. And when we have more than one subtraction in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction or this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first this multiplication, 9 times 9 gives us 81. So 9 minus 81, then minus 9. Now we have to do this subtraction. 9 minus 81 gives us negative 72. So negative 72 minus 9, which equals negative 81. And this is our final answer to this problem.